Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking. Today's video is about edges. And as you can see, mine need a little TLC. And I'm assuming because you've clicked this video today that yours need a little bit of love too. So let's just get straight into it. So I've been doing some research on all things hair and I realized, have I actually been taking care of my hair? Like, really? I have been protective styling, but it's not really protective styling. I do a lot of box braids and things like that, but I noticed that every time I take out my hair, a few of my edges come with them. And I have no one to blame because I do them myself. So I've been looking around like how to grow your edges, how to grow your edges, how to grow your edges. And I'm like, okay, I need to just sit down and just take control. I came across this product that I thought, this might work. I've seen some good reviews on YouTube, so I thought I'd do one of my own and try it out. This is the Originals Multi-Peptide Serum for hair density, and I came across this the other day and I was like, okay, I need some help. I don't just want to put oil on my edges because I've tried that before, and as much as it does help, I don't think it's actually growing. It's just kind of protecting, but I want some help to like grow them stronger, healthier and richer. So the instructions on the back, it is again a serum, so it's not a hair oil. It says to apply a few drops or as needed once daily, ideally at bedtime, to clean dry scalp. So I don't wash my hair every day, so it's always going to be dry, clean. By midweek, it's kind of getting on the dirtier side. This formula is a leave-on/in treatment. Do not wash hair or scalp after application. So you put it on every night, you massage it in, massage into scalp, put a few drops on there, and then the rest is history. Just straight to my hairline. I also have some breakage. You'll be able to see a few flyaways. I have some breakage in the middle of my head as well, just because that is an area where my hair breaks. I don't know why. I've tried so many other things to like help it, so I'm going to be applying it here and to my nape as well, because I have really soft hair at the back of my head, and every time I do a style or anything, it always seems to break. So I will be applying it there. Let's have a look at what the actual product looks like. This is a 60 ml bottle with a dropper. Serum is inside and it is very liquidy, as you can see. So if I just put a little bit on my hand, you can see it runs right off. Ooh. And rubbing it in, it doesn't really smell of anything, if I'm being 100% honest. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't smell like alcohol or anything like that. It's not sticky, so that's really good. You're not going to be applying anything that's sticky onto your edges, so it's not going to weigh down the hair at all, but it is going to penetrate in, so you'll be able to, it will easily run down to the scalp if you do get a bit of your hair on your hair. I bought this serum at ASOS and it cost me £16. I will put a link in the description box if you are interested in buying this serum. I'm going to try this for maybe 4 or 5 months, and I'm going to give an update of to how my edges are looking, and yeah, so let's try this out for the first time. So that's what I'll be doing every day at night time, just before I go to bed. I'll be applying the serum to my hair, and we're gonna see. Let's hopefully edges flourishing in 2021. That's what we need. Thank you so much again. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you. Bye.